Today we're going to be taking our red 800 horsepower STi out on the streets. We're going to have the GoPros in the bay, on top of the exhaust, everywhere you can think of, so you can hear all the raw sounds out of this car. Because quite frankly, when I'm in the car with the GoPro, you can't really hear the sounds that I can hear coming from the bay or from the exhaust. It's quite amazing. So today we're going to get the GoPros anchored in areas where you can hear all those sounds, because you guys deserve to hear them just as much as I do. So let's go grab them. We'll hit the streets with this car, go for a little rip. This car is absolutely covered in pollen and dust right now, so before we hit the streets, let's give it a quick wash down. Gosh, I love ceramic coat. Just to rinse it down and you're clean. If you guys want to pick up some Avalon King, make sure to click that link in my description. Ceramic coat changed the world. We are perfectly clean after about 1 minute with the pressure washer. Easy peasy. Panzer's running pretty good right now. We're gonna flash a little Hot Boy map into this thing. I haven't ran with it yet, but we're gonna see how annoying it is. I don't like the car to be super annoying, so that's why I don't really run the Hot Boy, but for this video, we'll flash it on and we'll see what it does. Hot Boy is flashed. Let's get the GoPro on the back of the car and see what this thing sounds like. I can't say I'm the biggest hater of the Hot Boy. It's not too bad. When it's like constant popping, pop, 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 the whole way down the road, it gets really annoying. But this one, it's really only in between shifts and when you're kind of in a lower gear where you should be in a higher gear, essentially, is when it really pops a lot. But overall, it kind of kills the drivability a little bit of the car compared to like our kill map or even like our 38 PSI normal street map. But no, it's not too bad. We're gonna let this thing cool down a little bit, maybe hose it off one more time before it goes in the garage. And yeah, this thing is a freaking beast. I freaking love this car. Every time I drive it, it makes it feel worth putting all the money under the hood to make this thing run like a champ. I really do enjoy driving the car. And so far we probably have about 20 plus pulls on it at 45 plus PSI. The thing's holding strong. It's the first motor I ever built, so pretty happy with it. Before I put this thing away for the night, let's do a quick rundown on the entire build for all the new guys that might be watching. So obviously what you see up top, it's pretty blingy, all the titanium. All the piping came from ETS, the alternator cover, the badge, and all of our caps. They all come from JD Customs, and if you use the code in the description box below, saves you 10% on your order. This upper radiator pipe came from RK Titanium. All the carbon, well, this is APR, the grill is Cybon, and then our brake ducts are APR, and then these are just some cheap eBay guys. Process West intake manifold, completely built, closed deck, V3, out front block, Manly pistons and rods, built heads, port and polished, 280 cams, full GSC valve train, 6466 rotated V-band ETS turbo kit, ETS 4-inch intercooler, max flow V2 headers. We're running 2 Walbro 450s on a radium hanger, run -8 feed, -6 return, radium fuel rails, FIC 2150cc injectors. That pretty much sums up the fuel system. The car is tuned on E85.
No point in blaming you, you did not know.
I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see this car in person, I will be taking it to a few shows. I'll be announcing them on my Instagram, which is linked down below. This year, next year, we're planning quite a few for the future, so super excited to get this out so you guys can see it and maybe do a few ride-alongs. I don't know. We'll have to see. Might need to sign a waiver. But yeah, I'm gonna end off this one right here. Catch you in the next one. Peace out. See y'all later.